Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to n8n. All right. So first up, we want to make a node right here. Just put in a Google Drive. This one, click on it. Now you could select any action right here. But just for this example, I'm going to select a file folder. All right. It's done. It's in here, right here. All right. Just like that. So what we're going to do next is just go ahead over to console.cloud.google.com. All right, hit on enter and you will be landed to the same exact page. So what we're going to do in here is go ahead and click on this project. All right, yours might be different. You might be able to see a blank project right here. Just go ahead and click on it. And here, as you can see, I've already added Google Sheets. You can go ahead and check it out. It is live on the channel. Now what we're going to do here is just click on new project. Now we would name it, for example, maybe G Drive. All right. Test. Then we would just click on create. Now it says here it is creating. Now it's done. I'm just going to select on select project. And as you can see, we are now working on the G Drive test. So what we're going to do in here, just click on the search bar and type in Google Drive API. All right. Right here. As you can see, Google Drive API, Google Enterprise API. Just click on it. Now, once it loads, make sure that it is set to enabled. All right. Click on it. It's going to take a while. Just patiently wait. Now, after that, let's just go ahead and click on create credentials. Now, under select an API, make sure that it is set to Google Drive API. Now, tick on user data. Here, just hit on next. Now, rename the app. For example, G Drive n8n. All right. Now, user support email right here. Just select your default user email, or which is tied to this console.cloud. All right. Scroll down in here, developer contact information. Click on the same email. All right. Hit on save and continue. Now, scroll down. If you want to add or remove scopes like here, all right, go ahead and do so. As you can see here. But for this example, I'm going to show you, we're going to add all Google Drive related APIs right here. All right. I'm going to select that here, this one and this one, and we're going to leave these three right here. So once done, just go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on update. So it's done. We're going to scroll down again and hit on save and continue. Wait for it. It's done. And now the OAuth client ID. So what we're going to do here is just click on application type and make sure that we set this one to web application. Then a web client name, maybe a G Drive again, G Drive n8n. Scroll down. And in here, it's going to need our URI. So what we're going to do is just click on add URI. So it's going to need the URI right here. So what we're going to do is just go to our n8n, double click on G Drive. Now in here, we're going to want to click on select credential, create a new credential. And here we have our OAuth redirect URL. So just hover your mouse into this, then go ahead and click to copy. Now it is now copied on our clipboard. So let's just go ahead and go back to cloud right here. Just paste that. And just hit on create. All right, as you can see, we have our client ID. So just go ahead and hit on done. Now let's go to OAuth consent screen right here. Now on the left pane, just click on audience. Now go ahead and scroll down. Now click on add users for testing. All right, basically you're going to test this. So just go ahead and put your email. Hit on save. Again, save. It's done. Scroll down and you'll be able to see your email right here under user information. If you want to add more, just click on add users and it will be added right here. Next, go ahead and go to clients. Now click on edit right here, edit OAuth client. Click on it. Now we have our client secret and the client ID. So let's copy the client ID. Copy. Client ID right here. Now go back and copy the client secret. click on the copy button. Now go ahead, go back to n8n, paste that in here. Next thing, let's just go ahead and sign in with Google. All right. As you might remember, we have put our personal email right here for the tester. All right. So we're going to click on that particular email. Now just go ahead and hit on continue and give all the necessary permissions. Now hit on continue right here. And it says connection successful right here and this area as well. So what we're going to do is just close this one. All right. Now I'm going to click on a blank space right here as it is already done. So hover your mouse right here and just hit on test. It's loading. It says here node executed successfully. And that's basically how you do it. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.